Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix my AI not showing up on Snapchat. Snapchat's My AI chatbot is a versatile and dynamic feature designed to enhance your in-app experience, making it more interactive and engaging. My AI can answer intriguing trivia questions, provide gift suggestions for your best friend's birthday, help plan an exciting hiking trip, or even recommend dinner options. However, as a relatively new addition, some users may find my AI missing from their Snapchat experience. This video will explore various solutions to ensure you can fully utilize this innovative feature. We will delve into different scenarios and provide you with step-by-step instructions to get my AI up and running on your Snapchat account. So let's dive in and unlock the potential of my AI chatbot. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So the first step is upgrade your Snapchat app. Snapchat's My AI chatbot has been rolled out to a majority of users, though some locations still face restrictions. As a result, the issue you are experiencing could be related to your account or your App Store region. To address this, try updating your Snapchat app. For this, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your device and then search for Snapchat. And ensure you are using the latest version of Snapchat. By keeping your app up to date, you will have access to the newest features and bug fixes, which may resolve the My AI chatbot issue you are encountering. And you are done. And the next step is fix My AI by reinstalling Snapchat. If you suspect that your region might be cause of My AI not showing up, ensure that your VPN is turned off. For this, go to Settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on Status Toggle button to disable it. And you are done. Alternatively, consider updating your country settings in your Apple ID or Google account. For this, go to Settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on Payment and Shipping. From here, you can change your region and you are done. If all else fails, reinstalling the Snapchat app could resolve the issue. To do so, press and hold the app icon until a pop-up menu appears, then choose Remove App. Next, tap on Delete App and then download it again from the App Store or Google Play. This might just be the key to access My AI and unlocking its full potential on your Snapchat account. And you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of My AI not showing up on Snapchat. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.